Hi guys. Today's plan with me is a plan ahead in my Hobo Techo A6 original, and this is a daily spread. I'm using this gorgeous kit from Paper Blush Bar with silver foil. I have already whited out the writing at the bottom of the page as well as the dates at the top of the page. And so the first thing I'm doing is laying down this deep purple Simply Gilded 15 millimeter washi with silver gold, with silver bows, and I'm laying it across both edges of each day, and then I'm coming back and laying it across the bottom also, and I'm just trimming down the excess so that I can lay down my 15 millimeter washi. And I realize after I have the base laid down and I lay down my date covers for Monday and Tuesday that I've actually laid them down on the wrong day. As I was whiting out, I was several pages back from where I needed to start and I didn't realize it. So I lay Monday and Tuesday down, and then I realized that I have it on the wrong day. I lift it up and go back to the right day. This is some pink Stardust washi from Simply Gilded. I did lay it down inverted, not intentionally. In fact, I didn't even realize I had it inverted until I was doing this voiceover watching the video. And I have looked at that page many times, but it doesn't look bad. Almost maybe like I did it on purpose. So here I've realized I've laid it down on the wrong day. So I'm laying down the Monday and Tuesday date covers and using some patterned headers from the kit to go underneath each date cover to just help it stand out. On this paper, even though it's white compared to the Hobonichi Weeks, which has a more yellow color, it's still not a bright white. And to me, the soft muted colors kind of get lost on the page. I'm just laying down a this week header with check boxes from the kit and a half box from the kit on the top right, and I'm going to use this space to mark down the most important thing for that day. I'm trying to do that same layout for each day, so my eyes will be kind of drawn to that section. At the bottom, I'm laying down some washi from the kit, and I'm running it across the full length of the page and just cutting it down to size. And this is a plan ahead. This is 2 weeks ahead, so I don't know everything that I have scheduled. So the first part of the video, I'm just kind of laying down the base of the kit or the base of the spread. And then I come back at the end and lay down some specific icons for the things that I do know I have scheduled. And this kit is so beautiful. I love the full boxes in the kit. I think I end up using every one of them. They're just gorgeous. And I come back, and on top of those full boxes, I lay down a foiled header from Cozy Paper Co. And I lay down that header on the full boxes throughout the whole kit, and also that purple box, that purple fancy label right above where I just was, that box is also from Cozy Paper Co. Other than a few boxes from Cozy Paper Co., every box that's used in the spread is from the kit. And she does have a lot of checklists and check boxes in her kits. So to me, I do memory planning in my Erin Condren, but her format lends itself more to definitely plan aheads, but I think it really is nice for the dailies because there's so many spaces where you can make to-do list. For this page, I'm coming back again with the same combo of Simply Gilded, and I'm not sure why I laid it down so low. Should have brought it up just a hair, but it ends up being fine. And I don't lay it across the sides on this day. I just lay it across the top. And honestly, when I laid down the washi on the sides from the end of the week, laying it down, it just kind of looked harsh, like the lines looked really harsh. But once I had it filled in, it looked really good. And I looked back to a couple of weeks ago to my Planning World spread, and my favorite pages on that spread had the washi going down both sides of each day, which is why I laid it down like that. Um, but with just the washi, it does kind of look harsh. But for my next spreads, I will know that I end up really liking how that looks. And this is in like sped up times 4. For my next one, I might slow it down to times 2 so I can kind of walk through the day to day. And I also might finish a full day before moving on to the next one, so it makes it easier to walk you through it the way that I have it. The way that I have it videoed, it's kind of all over the place, so it's kind of hard to do the voiceover explaining what I'm doing. And I do like the Hobonichi paper. I like the having it in like its own notebook, because I hate the printables. I hate having to cut them out and fold them. I can never get it lined up correctly. So I don't like doing that. And I like how this paper feels. Like, I love flipping through this little planner, but I hate how you have to white out so much, and I hate how you can see the outline of the stickers on the page before it. So I have been looking on Etsy for some A6 inserts, and not necessarily dailies, just some dot grid A6 inserts, so that I won't have to white anything out. I haven't ordered them yet, but I have found a couple shops that I'm probably going to try. And so now I'm moving on to the weekend, and I am doing Saturday and Sunday both on the same page, because I don't need excuse me, I don't need a whole page for each of the days on the weekend. And those tick marks I have, those are just to help me visually see where half the page lines up, so I can center each side. Sorry if I kind of stammered there for a second. My daughter walked in where I'm doing my voiceover, and it's kind of awkward to be doing this when someone walks in. So I tried to keep rolling. The show must go on. This kit is so pretty, and if it was on bright white paper, I think it would look even better. And I really want to use that full box because it's so gorgeous. And the pink one that I picked up, I end up cutting it and using it as a half box. That strip of washi that I just laid down is also some cut washi from the strip. It's so gorgeous. Really, every element of this kit is very pretty. It's a good transition from summer to fall, in my opinion. That fancy label I just laid down is also from Cozy Paper Co. And I tried to make that fit. I wanted to use that washi because it's so pretty, but I couldn't, so I just end up using a to-do header. And you see I have it on my finger. I'm trying to find a place I can use it. The date dots I'm pulling in are also from Cozy Paper Co. They are just clear with a hollow foil, but they're small and dainty. To me, they are a good fit with this kit and this size planner. So I lay those down for each day, and then I come back with my icons to finish up the spread. So that YouTube icon is from Miss Sarah Elizabeth Prince, and I have that to mark filming or taking pictures. Not sure yet. The laptop and the fork and spoon are from Crafts by Thaowie. The laptop is to mark an assessment that is scheduled. The utensils are to mark my lunch with Wendy that I have on Mondays. And those thick silver bows are from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. That bow is a bow from Nikki Plus 3, and both of those are from the same sheet. I can't remember I don't know the name of the colorway, but it's the one that's got pinks and purples. The cell phone is from Crafts by Thaowie, and that pen is from the Planning World. That Instagram icon is from Scribble Prints Co. And those books are, I'm not sure where they're from. Possibly Scribble Prints Co. I know that Silver Stethoscope is from Scribble Prints Co. And the bow I placed on top of that box was another one from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. That foiled planner is from a foiled basic sheet from Simply Watercolor Co. And it is in purple foil, but to me it matched. That car, I'm not sure what shop that car is from, but I used that to mark that I'm working in Ruston on Friday. And the washing machine is to mark laundry for Saturday. And then I pull in a me time script and place on top of that confetti circle. I laid down this Running Man from Scribble Prints Co. And I think that washing machine was from Scribble Prints Co. too. Thanks for watching.